Hola from Puerto Rico. A smaller little beach. People enjoying life. Again, so wonderful to see. Nice little lighthouse up there on the hill you can hike to if you'd like. 92 degrees today. The sand's so hot it's burning the feet. Mid-October. Island living. Beautiful little cove here where the rocks break, the ocean waves coming in. Great snorkeling area and like a little mini wave pool. And you can walk all the way down this beach. If I go around the corner, you can see you walk for miles if you'd like. It's beautiful. I'll do a video coming down the beach later on. So until next time, enjoy your October wherever you are. Maybe. Adios.